Welcome students to the English class. So today we have new topic totally, that is together learn and understand English. Before this I was doing grammar with you, parts of speech. They were also very important because we are learning grammar, we are learning how to speak English. All these things are very important. So today I will tell you what type of difficulties we are facing while speaking in English. दिक्कत आती है ना इंग्लिश बोलने में, एकदम से तो नहीं बोल पाते. So I will have to see from the very beginning, from the childhood. Just as a child enters, takes admission, comes to school, sits in the classroom, at that time already he has a wide knowledge of some English words. ऐसा नहीं है कि बिल्कुल ही आ गया, बिल्कुल ही कुछ नहीं आता, ऐसी बात नहीं है. He has a knowledge just like he knows fan, table, floor, pen, pencil, teacher, principal, light, or so many type of words are there, charts, chair, table, so many words are there. At that time he knows very well how to use the words also. Just as I give you the example. In our schools also, teacher says, please bring attendance register. Now you can see very well, attendance is not an easy word. But for a small child, please imagine Hindi medium section I am telling, attendance word, and the child learns the word attendance register very fluently. If I say to him, उपस्थिति पंजिका ले आइए, उसे समझ में नहीं आएगा. He will say, ma'am, what? So now you can see very well, this attendance register a small child has known very well. What is the thing I will say to it? Usage. What will I say? Usage. प्रयोग में लाना. So keep this thing in your mind. Usage is very important. And the point that I have written here, the usage is important in the primary as well as our middle and higher secondary session also. Our English starts just as the student, they come into their classroom. Now it depends upon the teachers how they tackle a student. One thing I will clear, our surroundings, they are not so favorable, because I will not fly in the air कि बहुत अच्छा है, yeah, very fluent English, you can speak very well, yes, listen, understand in English. All these things, they will not teach you from the very beginning. How can you understand in English when you don't know anything? Tell me this thing. You will have to make an atmosphere for that. एक वातावरण बनाना है, एक surrounding बनानी है. A child is not learning anything at home. When he is coming to the school or she is coming to school, we have to do a lot for him or her. So surrounding takes. Now how we will make the surrounding? This I will discuss in my next video. First of all, I will discuss with you the problems. What are the problems? Our surroundings. Because if you don't know the problem, how can we crack the problems? We must have the knowledge. We should know the difficulty level of our student. We should know what is their position. Then we will come to know how we will solve their problem. The second point is Hindi atmosphere. Surroundings, Hindi atmosphere. They don't know how to speak in English even a few sentences. Words, no doubt they know. And I will tell you now how to utilize their dictionary, the words of dictionary they have. They have small dictionary, but we will utilize them. And the third one is hesitation. Even if they come to know when they come to the middle wing, the higher wing, at that time hesitation is there. अरे what the student with the other student will say, हंसेगा मैडम मेरे ऊपर, how can I speak in English? So this type of thing you will have to totally remove. No hesitation. You speak in wrong English, it will run. And further, exam oriented mentality. This is also a hurdle in learning our language. A lot of syllabus is there. Our English teacher, our other English medium science teacher, etc. Sometimes they cannot handle English so easily. They have to just fix some important question. English teacher I am also. I have to do sometime also like this. So this is also a hurdle. And now what the things we should do, I will also discuss. So you have seen the hurdles that we have with us. Now first, how to remove this? I have told so many things with you. Now I will come to the point how we will remove the hurdles so that we may go nice manner to learn English in a better way. First of all, I will say confidence. We must have confidence in us. Yes, I can learn English. I can speak English. First of all, confidence matters. If you have no confidence, at that time, learning also will give you no fruit. And the second point is, with confidence, you must be hardworking also. बातों ही बातों में फसल नहीं उगाई जाती. We must do hard work for that. Hard work, confidence, and practice. Practice a lot. Practice a lot and be curious also. उत्सुकता होनी चाहिए. That is the word here. See, roof is there. Oh, छत की English roof. So this curiosity will also work from the primary level. Don't think that I cannot learn English. No, you can see a small child when he takes birth, only 2 years old, and he starts speaking in Hindi. Fluent Hindi he starts speaking. 2.5 age is there. How does he speak in Hindi? Tell me. Practice is there. And again, the most important point that is coming, listening. Listening. Sunna. How can a child speak in English when we all are speaking in Hindi? In school also, so many times. And we are saying to a child, a student, again and again, speak in English. How can he speak? So the most important point is listening. And the second is here, after listening, speaking. Try to speak. And reading. How many times you read? And the activities also, writing also. These 4 skills I will discuss in my next video. So please think upon what the abilities you have, how to use them, and have a big heart. Goodbye.